Pacho kae Sports Kenya olando loro alap tuke ma Kasarani kod bede ne ariyo kata annex mantiere aluora mar alabno. Ginyiso timbe mosebedo katiyo gi Kasarani mondo omanya pewe mamoko ma ginyalo tiyo godo kapod gundho alapno. Kasarani en achiel kuom pewe ma ibiro ti godo e tuke mag laro simbo mar Afrika kata AFCON e higa manyien.
We are having CAF inspectors who have come in to just look at our preparedness for AFCON. So we will request that all the federations understand that the work that goes into preparations for AFCON are kicking in, and we are reclosing again the few stadiums. We will balance to see how best we will support the federations.
On Sunday, it was opened to be used for the tournament that we had then, because the other stadiums were fully occupied. And therefore, the state, as it was noted then, it's because it is not available for use, it's available to be redone in the playing field.
Question to the question.